Hi guys, good morning. So today we will be going to Atok Benguet. Wala lang, mainit na rito sa Maynila eh. So we will try Taho going up to the mountains. Though nakapunta naman na siya ng Baguio before. So tatry natin going to Atok. May mga iba naman nang nakapunta. So try naman natin sa syempre sa experience para magkaroon naman tayo ng experience. And at least parang it's a stepping stone going to Sagada using EV. All right? So without further ado, just enjoy the video. Our state of charge right now is ayan 77% with a range of 232 kilometers. We need to top up going up to Baguio kasi it will eat up 35 to 40% of the battery just to go up via Quezon. That's the most exciting part kasi of having an EV eh. Anong tawag na nun? Hindi mo alam kung ilan yung mariregen niya kasi up and down kasi going up to Atok and going up to Atok. Hindi siya yung parang going to Baguio na diretsong akit talaga. So let's see ilan yung state of charge. Magwa 100 siguro tayo going to magwa 100% siguro tayo pag nasa Baguio tayo. Then let's check, let's see if how many would be the state of charge pagdating natin ng Atok. Happy birthday Yugi Bay! Yugi Bay, say hi! Hi po! Stormy! Hi! The cutest Stormy! Full charge.
So, mo the payment ko, sir? Cash or card ko?
Card na lang din.
Here I am.
Thank you, sir.
This old
Thank you
town
po.
still dream.
Alright, 100%. Antay niya mami niya, Ito mo yung kinakain ni mami.
Gusto ko yung pinakain ni daddy.
Yeah, ito mo. Namoy lang.
Since I've been gone, I miss the way it feels to roam. This urge that's grown inside my heart to pack my bags and hit the road. I'm dreaming of the road again, set free in the wind. Feels like we found home again, on the road that's grown within.
State of charge 23%. Top up lang tayo ng kahit mga hanggang 70% lang. Then charge ulit tayo sa Baguio.
Winding tracks and beaten
65%. 175 kilometer range. Ayan. Dixie. Then Dixie.
troubles fade away. I'm dreaming
Ay,
of
schedule.
you again.
Bukas, kunin ko either bukas or
Feels like we found home again,
Ay, mga picture.
on the road that's grown within. off the road again. Set free in the wind.
Alright, done charging.
Feels like we found home again. On the road that's grown thin.
Mabigat talaga.
Put the pickup into drive, chase the dawn, burn the light, let's go. Take the change from our savings jar, grab the Gibson, ditch the phone, let's roll.
Bibili pa ba ako? Hindi na.
Maybe where we're going there are no exit signs. Even if the road is all we know, I'll be home to you.
Yeah, pinagtitignan na naman si Taho.
Yan si Kuya, parang driver siguro to ng van. Hindi pa. Hindi pa yung driver. Mamamahalagi ako, dumiretso tayo dito pa sa gata.
Uy, gumalaw. Grabe, star of the day si si Taho titignan parang paano nakarating yan dito? Hindi pwede makarating yan dito.
Feels like home whenever I'm with you. Maybe where we go and all we'll need are these big dreams. And even though tomorrow is unknown, I'll be home to you, home to you.
Yaba mo kahit galing Vietnam daw.
Vietnam lang ay ang init niya sa Vietnam. Di ba isa nung galing tayo Japan, tapos diretso tayo dito.
Good for 2 po. Sige. Oh, mami nyo ha. Grabe. Pumunta ng Atok, walang jacket. Ang lagi.
Hindi na ako magalaw dito.
Lamig. Pag mainit, pag tanghali naman daw, mainit. Pero pagdating ng mga ganito daw, sabi ni ate, malamig na. Mas lalo daw pag madaling araw. Sabi ko, bala ko mag-jogging eh. Di mas maganda dun. Mas maganda yung madaling araw ka mag-jogging. Nag-clear. Hi. ka nagagalit. Nagagalit ka pag nakamotor. Nag-aano sila ng pechay. Pechay Baguio. Guys, sarap na ito. Ito yung product nila dito.
Sino gumawa?
Tapos Anli Coffee.
Sino gumawa?
O ata. Product daw nila. Hop. Alright guys, here is the pinakamakulit. Makukulit. Isko. Here is our kitchen. Dining table. And here is our view. Marami lang langaw. Kasi fertilizer season, month. Parang same sa tabi dati. Pero look at the view naman. Oh, it's like you're not in the Philippines. So, ganda. Okay guys, so we arrived here in Atok, Ibayan homestay. 71% from 100% in Baguio. Hello guys, we're at Atok Benguet. Palengke muna kami. Ano ti broccoli yung ano? 60 may sa kilo? Oh, diba? 60 lang oh. Pag sa Maynila yan. 7,000. Uy, sili! Ito yung ano, inaano nila doon.
Na-harvest.
Oh, na-harvest nila. Daan tayo sa kanila.
Kanino?
Yung pinanay.
Oh, sige. Sa kilo ka na ba?
Oo, pili ka naman.
Na lang sa ilalim.
368 lang. Thank you, ante.
Thank you po.
Ang dami. Diyan ako dati, oh. Tapos kapag, ano kami dyan eh. Ay, hindi,
nagstay?
complete ata dyan. May pinagstayan kami dyan. Ganda ng pinagstayan namin eh. Nasa gitna siya ng, pababa siya eh. Tapos, transient homestay. Tapos madaling araw. Bawal paliguan ng ano eh, bata.
Siyempre,
Pag,
alam eh.
hindi, kapag pinanganak. Di ba papaliguan mo yun? Dito hindi. Oatmeal. Hopya. Uishi. Spanish bread. Noodles. Kape, Coke. Very good. Hello guys. So let's go. Let's go up to the rooftop. Uy. 360 view. Can you see that guys? Ang ganda. Kala mo wala ka sa Pinas. Pasig. Okay. Good morning, guys. Okay. So, ayusin muna natin si Taho. Yung charging niya. Okay, so this is the charger. Hindi ko na niligpit kagabi kasi it's 1 a.m. 1 a.m. nung tinanggal ko. 1 a.m. nung tinanggal ko, so kinda scary here. Sabi ko, pinabukasan ko na ano. Ay. Okay, so I start charging at, I think that's around 6 past 6 siya. Then nag-end siya ng mga 12 midnight, 12:44. So nantay ko talaga siya matapos. Though nag-edit naman ako ng nag-edit din naman ako ng backlog, so it's fine. Is this our food? Pare ko minute. Yes. Pangalawang init. Pangalawa. Let's eat. Ang makulit na bata ay papasok na. Sure. Sige po. Thank you po, te. Bye-bye. Babalik kami. Bukas. Kaya nga, iniisip ko, 1 month eh. Okay, state of charge is 100. Let's check kung ilang percent pagdating sa Baguio and ilang percent pagdating sa Manila din. Okay. Bye-bye. We will go back. We will definitely go back. Diba, Yugay? Siyempre, favorite ni Yugi itong dinaanan niya eh. Lalong-lalo na yung isa. Ang daming butterflies, oh. Birds, Yugi, oh. Kita mo. There's a lot of birds, oh. Oh.
Lake Tabeo.
Guys, naman yung ways namin, oh.
Ay,
Yeah.
papaya.
Pinapadaan kami ng feeling ko sagada yan.
Baka sagada yung nilagay mo, kuya.
Yeah. Oh, ano, di na tayo muna uuwi. Okay, National Toll Gate. SOC 99%. Tublay to, no? Oh. Isipin mo, Atok to Tublay, 1% lang nabawas. Apakalayo nito, more than an hour ang biyahe. Yeah. Solid regenerative braking. Bakdal, Rotonda. SOC 97%. Guys, Baguio, Camp 7. SOC 98%. Grabe, Atok to Baguio, 2% lang nabawas. Galing. Okay. Lion SOC 100. Grabe, Atok 100%. To Lion said 100%. Canon Tollgate. SOC still 100. Welcome to Titinex. SOC 99%. Okay, andito tayo sa house. house. Yan. Nakala kayo? Okay, one. Bukawi tol. SOC is 29%. Single charge from Atok. Balintawak 23%. So, wala ba yung walang so? Okay.
Guys.
Hello guys, so okay, so
Okay.
okay, so okay, nag single charge lang kami from Atok. So from 100%. Ba't ba may so kasi? Okay. So so pa rin talaga namin. Kainis ka. Okay, single charge. First charge namin a while ago was in Atok. So that's 100%. Nakarating kami dito sa Manila. Actually, we are here in EDSA na walang top up. Just single charge from Atok. And now we are at 23%. Okay, 23%. Yan. Okay. Nag-rotate yung screen. So pwede pala mag-charge sa Atok at makakauwi ka ng Manila with a single charge, 'di ba? Ang galing. Alright? So malapit na kami.
Like anyone's afraid of me. Clearly people here are relaxed.
Alright, we're home. SOC 15%. Yeah. Ikaw ang magcha-charge. Very good. Okay, so that's our Atok adventure. Bye-bye.
See you together.